All right, I'm here for one reason, basically. Uh, first, let me tell you a story. Let me tell you a story. When I first met Denzel Washington, that nigga was wearing dirty tennis shoes. Hey, think about that shit. Dirty tennis shoes. Now, a black man wearing dirty tennis shoes, that should tell you something. Right? It made an impression on me. I mean, here's this great actor. I guess, and so it was about, it wasn't about, the tennis shoes. He was powerful without, clean tennis shoes. And if somebody stepped on the motherfuckers, he wouldn't care. He wouldn't have to kill their ass. You know what I'm saying? Now, it made an impression on me. It always taught me frugality, taught me not to make shit like that important, to make my work important. Anyway, besides that, I got another announcement. I'm buying the L.A. Sparks. I'm just coming out with some of this news. I know y'all ain't seen me in a while. And I need to apologize to my subscribers because I didn't know I had them. So I'm going to apologize to the old subscribers and to the new subscribers. But I'm up to some other shit. So I'll tell you about that. That's why I'm here. So y'all know I ain't no AI clone. That's what people saying. So, but anyway, I just want to let you know I'm making an offer for the LA Sparks. They need a new owner. I'm thinking, I care. I'm a caring person. And they need an owner like that. They need someone like me who cares. Not like the NBA. They say they care. They don't fucking care. I care, all right? And I'm figuring, I know y'all out there like, Spencer, do you got the money to buy the LA Sparks? One, you don't ask questions you ain't got fucking answers to. You don't know my shit. I got all kinds of stories out there. My worth, what I got, what I don't got. I don't care. I keep niggas high. I ain't got shit. That's what I ain't got shit. That's why you see in my books. I'm trying to tell you. You keep money, but not the kind of money people want to rob you for. You don't want to ever have that kind of money. I don't want that kind. I don't want the kind of money niggas want to rob you for. You know what I mean? I just got that other kind of money, right? You can buy what the fuck you want to when you want to buy it. That's good money. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, LA Spikes is somebody. Plus, I figure they don't cost that much. They can't cost that much. They are. I think they last place. They can't. My first offer would be around $1,700. I'm figuring that's my first bid. $1,700 for the LA Sparks, and I'll get them in the shape. We'll win some fucking games. I love my girls, man. Okay. Anyway, I'm Spencer. You're Spencer, right? And I'm here because people have emailed me and called and said, did I really write these books? They're asking me, did I really write these books? I say, ain't my name and shit on them? And I got a picture on the book. Yeah, like, no, man, but people are like stealing images and AI writing books and people, steal your likeness and shit like that. I'm like, my book's been out for like 3 years. To tell the truth, let's see, I wrote them motherfuckers back. During the COVID, while people were locked up, things were happening. I saw people getting funerals they couldn't afford. They were like comedian, other colleagues, actor friends of mine. They was passing away. And they was raising money on like GoFundMe and shit, right? And I'm like, oh wow, man, nigga can't even afford his own funeral. That's cold. I wanted to raise an organization myself called Laugh in Peace. LIP. It's gonna be Laugh in Peace. I was gonna create a fund, raise funds, and when one of our actor colleagues or comedian colleagues, made a transition. So I want to create a foundation. But then people discouraged me to do that because they said a lot of people be raising money and be scamming the money, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm like, wow, And then over the news, they saying people like can't afford nothing. You know, they don't have an extra $400, an extra $1,000. These are working Americans, working citizens, not only here but abroad. You know, you could be listening to me in Australia, in Dubai right now, or you know, fucking England. And you guys, we all having similar difficulties when it comes to the money. That's because it only goes in one direction, out. I don't know why they call it income when it's the outcome that keep you broke. So I wrote this Wall Street Smart series. So it's called Wall Street Smarts. Yeah, I wish there was some way to convey that shit on the cover. Oh no, I might have to get like I am gonna change the cover because you want to call this like this podcast. If that's what this is, it's a program. It's ain't. I don't think it's a show. It's not really a show. It's a hello. I don't see it like a show. Ain't nobody here. So there's a program, I guess, so you know, so other people can watch, right, on their own time, right? So in this program, so you can watch it at any time. So anyway, I can explain that it's Wall Street Smart, but I'm also gonna get a new cover. I'm gonna get a new cover, like teaching it to the streets, you know, some shit like that, and then another one, which I want to call this program, I want to call it Mama, Making Americans Money Again. How about that shit? Why don't somebody try that? Everybody complaining and protesting and shit. Why don't we help Americans make money again? You know, shit, Kamala or with the other motherfucker, whatever he doing. If you want to get to me, you know, tell me how I'm gonna make money again. All right, because Americans ain't making money like they used to, and citizens abroad ain't making money like they used to, because they don't understand that their money must circulate. But then they got to have enough money to circulate. So they got to have jobs, and more people are equipped with jobs than like me, like people like me, entertainers, you know, comedians. You know, we got to wait for our next gig, our next audition, and ain't a lot of them going on right now, right? And so we have to wait for gigs and stuff and for people to come to us and help us out and put us on stage or buy our jokes or whatever the fuck your gig is in entertainment. But it's usually gig, right? Gig oriented. But people with jobs, people who have revenue coming in every week from some work they doing, they need to learn how to circulate that money ASAP. And if you in the game, you're out on the streets, you know, making that money. This is a cool way to get off them streets. You off on the corner, you on that block, get off that block, baby. Get off that block and buy a block of apple, nigga. Yeah, you buy a block of apple, nigga, you can come inside. There ain't no police or nothing in them motherfucking. So this is what I have chosen to do. And so anyway, I wrote these books for Wall Street Smart people, Main Street, right? People who line up at Black Friday, people who go to Winter Monday, White Wednesday, and all kinds of other shit. You know, if you got the street smarts for that kind of stuff to save on coupons and rewards, and, you know, that's why I tell all these companies, man, what the fuck you? Rewards and points. Your points, fuck your points. Fuck your rewards, man. Send money. I'm always amazed that these billion-dollar, trillion-dollar companies ain't figured that shit out yet. Send a nigga a check. Where do you think we gonna use it? Say Walmart, right? Let's imagine this. Walmart sent out checks to their customers. 200, I mean some good money, you know, $300, $600. They got it, believe me. They have it. Exxon, Chevron, these motherfuckers got money. But really, what if they did? What if they send out checks? Where do you think you buy your gas at? If you got a $300 check every month from Exxon, They got to start paying us, man. They got to start paying us for being customers. This is the truth. It's going to come down to that because there ain't no working and shit like that going to happen no more. People are trying to, they're, the whole robots and all that, man. Anyway, that's a whole nother thing. That's a whole nother story for a whole nother program. Right now, I'm trying to, let you know that I am the author of these books. I didn't say much about them, but each one, there's 4 books. There's 4 of them, right? I made them all 100 pages, less than 100 pages, because I figured nobody wants to read 300 or has time to read 400 pages of anything. People aren't really reading like they should. Anyway, they're letting themselves down. I'm telling you, if you can read and you don't, you're letting yourself down. You're missing a lot of shit. You're letting yourself down. Don't do that. Even if you're on the corner, read a book, nigga, and shit. I did. So I'd be in the car in the limo reading the book, man. So anyway, the book. These are the books right back here. These you see these right here. These are 4. This is a series. Cause I'm in show business, man. I'm used to writing scripts and shit like that. So I wrote them like a script, and I kept them funny. Ain't nobody in the stock market actually really funny like me, who actually got paid, who been on TV and specials and shit as a comic, as a comedian, as an actor, authentically. That's what y'all call it, right? Authentically. Authentic my ass, nigga. Let me tell you something. I'm telling you, I actually did this shit, all right? So anyway, and a whole bunch of niggas can verify that shit for you. But the point being, I broke it down like that, like a script. So you can, read it in the kitchen, you can read it at the bathroom, you can read it at the park, you can read it in the back seat of your car, then grab the next one, read that one, and grab the. See, each of them progress you in a better understanding. I'm the on-ramp to financial literacy. That's what I would be for any commercial people, any marketers, any advertisers. I'm the on-ramp to financial literacy. I'm the on-ramp to new accounts, baby. You understand? People ain't never heard about this shit until I came into their life and told them about this shit. And that's crazy.